20 foods that are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that's found in many foods, particularly fruits and vegetables. It's well known for being a potent antioxidant, as well as having positive effects on skin health and immune function. It's also vital for collagen synthesis, connective tissue, bones, teeth and your small blood vessels. The human body cannot produce or store vitamin C, therefore, it's essential to consume it regularly in sufficient amounts. The current daily value, DV, for vitamin C is 90 mg. Deficiency symptoms include bleeding gums, frequent bruising and infections, poor wound healing, anemia and scurvy. Here are the top 20 foods that are high in vitamin C. 1. Kakadu plums. Kakadu plums contain up to 5,300 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, making it the richest known source of this vitamin. Just one plum delivers around 530% of the DV. 2. Acerola cherries. Just 1/2 cup of acerola cherries delivers 913% of the recommended DV for vitamin C. The fruit may even have cancer-fighting properties, although human-based research is lacking. 3. Rose hips. Rose hips provide 426 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Around 6 pieces of this fruit deliver 132% of the DV and encourage healthier-looking skin. 4. Chili peppers. Green chili peppers contain 242 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Therefore, one green chili pepper delivers 121% of the DV, while one red chili pepper delivers 72%. 5. Guavas. Guavas contain 228 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. One guava fruit delivers 140% of the DV for this vitamin. 6. Sweet yellow peppers. Yellow peppers contain the highest vitamin C concentration of all sweet peppers with 183 mg per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of sweet yellow peppers delivers 152% of the recommended DV. 7. Black currants. Black currants contain 181 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of black currants packs 112% of the DV for vitamin C and may help reduce chronic inflammation. 8. Thyme. Thyme contains more vitamin C than most culinary herbs with 160 mg per 100 grams. 1 ounce of fresh thyme provides 50% of the DV for vitamin C. Thyme and other foods high in vitamin C boost your immunity. 9. Parsley. Parsley contains 133 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Sprinkling 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley on your meal delivers 11% of the DV for vitamin C, which helps increase iron absorption. 10. Mustard spinach. Mustard spinach contains 130 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of this leafy green provides 217% of the DV for vitamin C when raw, or 130% when cooked. 11. Kale. Kale contains 120 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of raw kale delivers 89% of the DV for vitamin C, while a lightly steamed cup provides 59%. 12. Kiwis. Kiwis contain 93 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 medium-sized kiwi provides 79% of the DV for vitamin C, which benefits blood circulation and immunity. 13. Broccoli. Broccoli contains 89 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of steamed broccoli provides 57% of the DV for vitamin C and may lower your risk of inflammatory diseases. 14. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain 85 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of steamed Brussels sprouts provides 54% of the DV for vitamin C, which may improve your bone strength and function. 15. Lemons. Lemons contain 77 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, with 1 medium lemon delivering 92% of the DV. Vitamin C has potent antioxidant benefits and can keep your cut fruits and vegetables from turning brown. 16. Lychees. Lychees contain 72 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. One single lychee contains an average 7.5% of the DV for vitamin C, while a 1-cup serving provides 151%. 17. American persimmons. American persimmons contain 66 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. One American persimmon packs 18% of the DV for vitamin C. 18. Papayas. Papaya contains 62 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of papaya delivers 87 mg of vitamin C, which may help improve memory. 19. Strawberries. Strawberries contain 59 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of strawberry halves delivers 89 mg of vitamin C. This nutritious fruit may help your heart and brain health. 20. Oranges. Oranges contain 53 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 medium orange delivers 70 mg of vitamin C. Other citrus fruits, such as grapefruit, mandarins and limes, are also good sources of this vitamin. Vitamin C is vital for your immune system, connective tissue and heart and blood vessel health, among many other important roles. Not getting enough of this vitamin can have negative effects on your health. While citrus fruits may be the most famous source of vitamin C, a wide variety of fruits and vegetables are rich in this vitamin and may even exceed the amounts found in citrus fruits. By eating some of the foods suggested above each day, your needs should be covered. A diet rich in vitamin C is an essential step toward good health and disease prevention.